Hi, we have the question as the open loop transfer function of a DC motor is given as W of S divided by V of S equal to 10 divided by 1 plus 10S. When connected in feedback as shown below, these input DC motor input, that is RS, given to here as 1 divided by 1 plus 10s. That approximate value of Ka will reduce the time constant of the closed loop function by 100 times of compared to the open loop function. So we have the terminology like this. They given us closed loop will be 100 times of the open loop, that is T closed divided by, that is 100 T closed loop, that is time constant 100 time constant of the closed loop will equal to 1 time constant of open loop. So we will rewritten that T closed loop equal to 1 by 100 T open, that is time constant. So automatically from this equation, so we have, first of all we should go for the what are the values we should to be obtained from the theory. Type of the controller. From this diagram we can say that type of the controller, it's a P controller. We have P controller, PA controller, PD controller, PID controller, that is partial integral control, integral differential, those kind of controllers we have available that. So we should go for that. Which controller, first of all we should find which controller is this. So we find that P controller. Order of the system is 1 because there is no kind of in poles and zeros in the circuit, that is in the poles and zeros we have not any second term like S square, like no terms like so on. So we will get the order of the system is define the maximum power to a this given coordination quadratic equation. So we have the equation as 10s, so that is the maximum power we have. So we will get the order of system 1. We call time constant as T. For the first order system loop transfer function, we can write as C of S divided by R of S divided by K 1 by S T. From the equation here, by comparing this term to this term, we can say that T equal to, that is ST equal to 10s. So T equal to 10. That is how this T open becomes the value of 10. So we are changing 1 plus 10x equal to 1 plus ST. So ST equal to 10s. So it will gives us T equal to 10. So T open value is 10. We find the one of the value because we find the value of T open here. So we'll substitute to that 1 by 100 into 10. So we'll get as value as 1 by 10. But we have to find the closed loop. After finding the closed loop, we have to find the Ka value. That is the value we should find in this question. For closed loop, they define as Y of gamma of S divided by R of S equal to, that is output transfer function gamma of S. Output is gamma is the here gamma of S is output signal and R of S is input signal. Transfer function of the closed loop will get Y of S divided by R of S Ka, multiple of, that is gain of this forwarded gain Ka into 10 divided by 1 plus R 10s. The closed loop equation can be written as G of S divided by 1 plus G of S H of S. Here H of S is, that is how much open loop, that is closed loop equation, closed loop gain, that is here, that is nothing is here, so we written as 1. So we are rewriting the equation as Ka 10 divided by 1 plus 10s plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus Ka into 10 divided by 1 plus 10s. So we can rewritten that 10 Ka divided by 1 plus 10s and 1 plus 10s plus 10 Ka divided by 1 plus 10s. So these 1 plus s could be cancelled, and we will get the transfer function of the closed loop as 10 Ka divided by 1 plus 10s plus 10 Ka. We should find the generalized form to obtain result for any circuit. So we go for the 1 plus term in the denominator. So we'll divide that in by denominator and numerator. We should get the 1 plus value in the numerator, sorry for that, before the term. So we should get the 1 plus term in the numerator. So we'll dividing the 1 plus 10 Ka in numerator and denominator, both of that. So we'll get 10 Ka divided by 10 Ka plus 1 divided by these 10 Ka, which 1 plus 10 Ka divided by 1 plus Ka plus 10 by s 10 Ka plus 1, we can written like this. So we'll get the values of closed loop equation also, and we have the open loop equation also. From this we should go for the time constant value. We are not going for any things like transfer function and loop gain, those on. So we should go for the transfer function value, that is time constant value. So comparing these two equation, K divided by 1 plus st and 10 Ka divided by 10 Ka plus 1 divided by 1 plus s of 10 divided by 10 Ka plus 1. So comparing that, we can find that time constant of closed loop is 10 divided by 10 Ka plus 1. So we already seen that closed loop equation, closed time constant values and open loop time constant value is 100 times better. So we will say that T closed loop equal to 1 by 100 into T open loop. So T closed loop is 10 divided by 10 Ka plus 1 equal to 1 by 100. T open loop value is 10. So we will change that 1 by 10 here. So 1 by 10 will go to here. So we will get 100. 100 equal to 10 Ka plus 1, which is 10 Ka equal to 99, Ka equal to 9.9. We can say that Ka equal to 10. This is the value of the Ka when we have the open loop, and open loop is 100 times better. 100 times time constant is 100 times more than into closed loop. This is the value of Ka here. Thank you. Your comments are welcome.